Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the dashboard of online admissions for KVOT Class 1 for session 2020-21. What you are seeing on the screen is the dashboard of online admissions of KVOT. We have got around 189 applications in total. Out of that, 98 RTE, under RTE 34 single girl child, 1 KVS ward and 27 EWS or BPL applications. The total number of applications we have received for service category 1 is 8, for service category 2 is 7, for service category 3 is 20, for service category 4 is 13, and for priority service category 5 is 140. This is the data what you can see, the day wise, how many number of applications received for KV, the total 189. The admission summary, sorry. The school-wise application, it's a big list. In the sound. There are about we have here total of 8 pages of 189 entries. Potentially duplicate applications, we requested the parents to delete them, but still there are about 8 applications we have here. Admissions are not done, so there is no admission summary. If you 2 o'clock, after 2 o'clock, we are going to start the lottery for all the categories. First, we start with the RTE lottery. The demo of the RTE lottery is seen here. We have all these applications, around 200 entries that has been taken up. More, it will be just going. It's only for demo purpose. And once you click the demo, we are going to get the total change, and then we can export the PDF filing them. The same way we are going to take the lotteries for single girl child, SC, ST and other categories also. Since now the time is done, we can go for the lottery, and here is the list of the things what we have for RT lottery, differently abled ST lottery, differently abled OBC NCL lottery, differently abled general OBC CL lottery, and service category 1 lottery, service category 2 lottery, then total SC candidates lottery, ST, OBC NCL, service category 4 and service category 5, and then finally SGC lotteries. In this order we are going to take the lottery one by one, but initially we are going to take RT lottery. After finalizing the RT lottery only, we are going to step by step for other lotteries. Without completion of RT lottery, we cannot take the lottery for the other categories. So under this RT lottery, see the details are here. This lottery operation can be performed between 11/8/2022 p.m. and 3 p.m. Number of sections we have in KVOT 2. Number of RT seats available will be 20, 10 seats per section. Now we can download the pre-lottery list that is just getting downloaded. We can see that later. Now I'll just show you, for the sake of parents, you can just our children who have been submitted under RT category admissions. Total 98 entries. We will be identifying the serial number here given over, and the application submission code and the name of the child. Total 98 entries. Now once we conduct the lottery, that will be the final. The serial number what you see here is going to be as it is, but there will be a lottery number appearing in between these lines. Okay, so I wish all the best. We are going to have a RT lottery conducted for admissions of class 1 for Kendriya Vidyalaya OOTY. Now this school confirms that the demos of the lottery have been shown to the parents to their satisfaction. The school and the parents understand that the conduct lottery button will disappear after conducting the lottery once. Please click cancel if you want to abort this operation, else click OK. Because we are not having any physical presence, in presence of the physical presence of the parents, we are not conducting the lottery and we are making it live, and all the process whatever you are seeing is directly taken up here. So I am going for OK. Now you see the lottery has been done. All the parents can see the children's numbers. First serial number 75, the Pranavi G got the lottery 1, then Satvik S number 2, Shakti B number 3, Sanjeev KL 4, Monica M 5, Kavin Karthik 6, Vaishnavi 7, Samuel S 8, Niharika 9, Hashika 10, Nidha 11, Lakshan Prasad 12, Ajay Vallavan 13, Sharan Achudan 14, Eshan Venkatachalapati 15, Dikshita 16, Ayan Sahilan 17, Harish 18, Shanaha Suhera 19, and Ajmal R 20. These 20 candidates got the admission directly. We are going to verify all the documents. Already some verification has been done. Some of the parents have submitted the proper documents. If any of the document is not suitable as per the KVS guidelines, the admission cannot be given to particular candidate. From 21 onwards to 98, there is a waiting list also. So 21, 23. So all these waiting list will be calling once the 20 applications what we are getting is not filled because of certain reasons. For RTE admissions, there are reasons like the distance from the school, then the status, social status of the candidate is very important for it. So once we verify and complete the process, then remaining seats we are going to call based on the same waiting list. The total list is downloaded. Download RTE lottery result. We download the RTE lottery result, and this will be uploaded on our school website hpf.uttarakhand.kvs.ac.in, and let me export this also on Excel file for the sake of official purpose. So congratulations to all the parents and the children for getting the admission under RTE quota for first 20, and remaining will go for the waiting list after completion of the process. Now I'll be taking it up the differently abled SC lottery list. because there is no application under SC of differently abled, so we are not conducting any lottery here. Similarly, differently abled ST lottery, nobody is there. Differently abled OBC NCL, no application received. Differently abled general OBC CL lottery, nobody is there. Then we go to service category 1 lottery. As per the guidelines, first RTA admissions will be given, 20 seats. Then category 1 admissions as per the transfer and the other priorities, whatever it is set up, the admissions will be given. Then category 2, service category 1 means the wards of all central government employees, transferable central government employees. Service category 2 means the wards of all the transferable, non-transferable central government autonomous bodies, PSUs and other agencies. So after this, we are going to have the category service category 3, because the Kendriya Vidyalaya OOTY comes under civil section, so there will be 5 seats per section will be reserved for sponsoring agency. So service category 3 lotteries are taken, and out of all these category 1, 2, 3, the number of SCs, STs and OBCs, how many will come. The left out vacant seats will be taken out from the lotteries of SC, ST and OBC NCL. This procedure will be following. So now I am going to take up we have total 8 entries under category 1. These applications, again after verification we are going to give the admission, but this will be, though the number of seats are very less, but still we have to go on with the lottery. So I am going to conduct the lottery. I am downloading the pre-lottery list. Then I will conduct the lottery. Same procedure we have to follow. So we say yes. So now the list is ready. Now serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 became 5, 7 became 6, 5 became 7 and 6. It's a randomization. It is purely based on the computer randomization. I'm downloading the lottery result. So I am going for the main sheet for taking up the next lottery, that is service category 2. Now for service category 2 there are 7 entries. Out of this 7, I am downloading the pre-lottery list of those 7 entries. I am conducting the lottery for them. Yes. Now the list is ready for the 7 entries. Now I am going for service category 3 for sponsoring agency. There are about total 20 entries under sponsoring agency of category 3. Category 3 means the wards of the transferable, non-transferable state government employees. I take a copy of pre-lottery list. I am going to conduct a lottery for it. I say yes. You are about to view the service category 3 lottery result. The page will also allow you to process admissions in this category. You wish to simply view the lottery result, click OK. Close the page. If you wish to process admissions, please note that admissions under survey can be given only filling after the admissions of applications in SAQ. All priority categories in sequence of lotteries have been processed, because for KVOT category 3, service category 3 is SAQ itself. So I am going for OK. Now this is the lottery. They are writing waiting list because It is only the process for checking it up. So the first 10 students will be getting the admission compulsorily under service category 3, like Nishantini, Bhargavi, Vaishnav, Vishwan Balaji, Meghanathan Rameshu, Dikshit, Viveka, Janavisha, Akshita, Dhanya, Kanvika. These are the 10 who will be getting the admission under service category 3. So I download the lottery result. Now I'll go for SC lotteries. There are total about 71 applications under SC. So after giving the admission for RTE, service category 1, service category 2 and the sponsoring agency quota admissions, calculating the total number of SCs, STs and OBC non-creamy layer admissions given, the remaining seats will be taken up from this ST, SC, ST and OBC non-creamy layer. So before that I download the pre-lottery list, then I conduct the lottery for SC. Yeah, I said okay. Again, because this is only for leftover categories after giving admission to all the seats, so that we are going to say okay. And this is how again waiting list 1, 2, 3, 4 will come here. Download SC lottery results. Now I go for ST lottery. I download the pre-lottery list, conduct the lottery. Okay. So again these are for waiting list of the candidates. So this is the names what we are going to, total 5 ST entries are there. All of them might have been given, all SC, ST, OBC non-creamy layer candidates list are already there in RTE. Those who are not getting under RTE, and if the leftover cases are there after giving admissions for category 1, 2, 3, this waiting list will be taken up. One thing I want to show you, like already RTE lottery has been done. So if you want to see the RTE now, you see there is no option for making the lottery again. The same lottery what we have taken up will be going ahead accordingly. So this is the list what we have seen earlier for 20 candidates, and any of the category 1, so already lottery is done, and we can't do anything. Once the lottery is done and the list is prepared, it is final. ST also we have done the lottery. Okay. So this is the waiting list of 5 ST candidates. Now we are going to take up OBC NCL lottery. I download the pre-lottery list for the sake of record, and all these OBC non-creamy layer candidates of different service categories, conduct the lottery. Say okay. Yes. This is the list what we see now for OBC NCL. And one thing you can see, like it shuffles all the category wise as well as the other categories what we are going to get. Category service category 1, service category 3, then service category 5. So the randomization is done based on the priority service categories only. With respect to the number of transfers also will be considered in that case. And service category 3 is already done, as it comes under the sponsoring agency quota. So it is already done. So you can see here it is already done. All of them comes under the service category 3. Let us go for service category 4. I download the pre-lottery list. These are all service category 4 means the transferable, non-transferable employees under state government, working in state government PSUs, public sector units. So there are about 13 entries, and let us conduct the lottery for them. Say OK. Yeah, this is cropping up again and again, because after giving the admission in the priority order only, we are going to go for category 4 admissions. So that's why we will be finding all of them as waiting list. So I download the lottery result. Yep. We'll go the last but one, the service category of category 5. Category 5 means those whose parents are not working neither in central government organizations or the state government organizations. All of them will be coming under this service category 5. I'll just download the pre-lottery list for the sake of comparison and the data with us, and I'm going to conduct the lottery. This service category 5, we have all about 140 entries total. You can see last 140 entries. Okay, so we'll conduct the lottery. Yes, okay. Yes, after giving all the priority category admissions only, we are going to take up the category 5 admissions. So this is the list what we are getting from waiting list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of them are the category 5 people. Download the lottery result. Finally, the last one, that is single girl child. Single girl child is the one admission that is the parents have only one girl child, no siblings. Means there should not be any sister to her or the brother to her. That case only it will be taken as a single girl child. So I download the pre-lottery list, and there are about 34 entries, single girl child entries we have, and they are all of different service categories. Like Abhirami comes under service category 2, then there are about 4 people under service, 5 people under service category 3, there are about 5 people under service category 4, and remaining under service category 5. So we are going to go for lotteries. Yes. That note we haven't received here because single girl child admissions are over and above the sanctioned seats for a particular class. So this goes beyond 40. So there is no need of waiting for the other categories to be coming in. If any child is getting in single girl child admission, that is going as per this particular lottery list. So we have Abhirami KA of service category 2 is having lottery number 1, Bhargavi service category 3 lottery number 2, Hashika R, service category 3, lottery number 3. Janavisha P, service category 3, lottery number 4. So there are only 2 seats per section because we have 2 sections in our school. So 4 will be given the admission under single girl child quota, and remaining, suppose these 4 anybody is not joining under this particular category, the waiting list will be taken up. I download the single girl child lottery list. With this we come to the end of taking the lotteries of all the categories, and this list, whichever I have downloaded the PDF file, will be uploaded by evening on our website. I am repeating that hpf.wootacommun.kvs.ac.in, and you can see that, and this video is also be available on the YouTube for long, so anybody can see this, how the lotteries have been conducted for KVOT. So I congratulate all the students, those who got the seat, and all the parents I thank for keeping a confidence in Kendriya Vidyalaya OOTY for admissions. And after going through the admission guidelines and the processes to take the admission, I would like to tell all the parents that we will be informing you through the email ID which is registered in this. So all of you please check your email IDs. Under this COVID-19 situation, we are not asked to invite any parent to the school. So all of you have to send the details by email. We have a very specific email created for this admissions purpose, like admissionskvot@gmail.com. You can put it in that email, or to our school number, landline number, you can call and find out the queries whatever you have in. And other things will be informing you through your email, and all those RT cases, the 20 cases, then category 1, category 2 cases will be informing you by tomorrow morning by email to submit all the documents whatever that is needed for completion of the admission process. And once all the process is done, we will be entering your data in the UBA portal and generate a fee challan, and we will be giving you back that fee challan by email, and you please pay the fees, and the fee receipt after payment you have to send it back to us by email only. Then we will be adding your details to our G Suite online class portal, so that you can attend the online classes very much. Okay, wish you all the best. Thanks for watching.